My boys are working OT right now in severe weather conditions because that's what we do here at 518 Auto Sales, bro. We don't make excuses, man. We get the freaking job done no matter what. Is Felix here? Oh, bro, they don't care. They're inside. Yo, this is our service shop here at 518 Auto, dude. We getting after it. Oh, shit. What's up?
Killing.
What's up, boys? Dude, what? Dude, we are just churning and burning out here. We bought 30 cars at the auction today. Leo came through, bro. Leo came through. Kenny! What's up, Kenny? Yo, yo! Steve is up to something because we saw him and he scattered with a smile on his face.
I'll tell you why.
Dude, he's what?
He's got done dragging Military Highway with a fence and three.
Dude, he
looked.
looked. Bro, let's go find Steve. Where? Let's go see what Steve is doing. All right, so this is what we do at 518 Auto Sales when you got a freaking MacGyver as a mechanic. And what exactly is this doing, Steve?
Just pushing the snow up out of the way.
Is that what keeps it clear?
Yeah.
Are you cold right now?
Yeah. I'm sweating right now. Actually.
You're sweating? Yeah. Dude, Steve's a beast, bro.
Well, I'm cold, bro.
Dude, can we surf on this thing?
Yes, you can. Part of the reason I set the tires on here because somebody can just sit in there.
Oh, that's lit. Like tubing.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. All right.